May I please invite Shri Mukesh Ambani on stage to share his personal feelings about Mr. Praful Patel.
Devendra ji, Uddhav ji, Amitabh ji, my friend Praful. Praful and I have grown up together. We're just a few months apart. I have, in a sense, now known him for over 35 years. We celebrate this evening his achievements. And I'm not going to repeat what we have already seen. I'll share with you what strikes me from the heart for Praful and sometimes what I envy about him. You know, they say that it is very easy to create a new relationship or break a relationship, but it is very, very difficult to sustain a relationship. And what I have seen of Praful over 35 years, and I'm sure all of you in this audience have seen his power to sustain relationships. He is always there when you need him. You make a phone call, and it doesn't matter, right, whether he was an ordinary MP or he was a minister or now he is with all his achievements. And I think that is one quality that I really admire about Praful. I sometimes wonder where he gets the energy. He is there at every event, every function, every party, every political event. So Praful, I really, and I'm sure that most in the audience would have also done that. You have to share with us how you do that and how you do that with a smile. As I see Praful, both he and I have spent a lot of time with my father. And as he said, my father Dhirubhai, and this was way back in the late 80s. And he said, "Ye Praful hai, would not only, and he not only understands business, but he understands politicians, which at that time he was just entering politics. But more importantly, he has the fire within him to do and really achieve public good. And in that sense, you must really be very, very proud of what you have achieved. I am sure that you have many, many more achievements to come. In terms of your passion for education, as Amit ji said, I also have been to Gondia, and I have no doubt, in his words, that you are the true Uttaradhikari of the vision of your father, Manohar Bhai, and I'm sure that he's smiling today on your achievements. Going forward, Praful, Udaan and the plane, I forecast, is going to turn into a rocket with what I have seen, right? You are just embarking on your journey. Your best is yet to come. And we will have many, many more celebrations like this. Wishing you really all the very best for the future and many more achievements. Thank you.